Hello guys, welcome back to Smartest Arena. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get 1,000 followers plus within some few days. I went from 0 to 1,000 followers without spending much money. In this video, you are going to know how you can get your first 1,000 followers on TikTok. Many people will say that for you to go viral on TikTok, you have to choose a clear niche or start posting consistently. But that's not the real deal. Some will even tell you that you should post 4 to 5 times daily and comment on videos, but that's not the real deal. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I get my 1,000 followers on TikTok. Go on TikTok like this. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any opportunity videos like this. So for you to get your first 1,000 followers on TikTok, you are going to use a certain website called Cabinet Media. So you take your mobile phone, you visit your browser and type in this. Make sure you won't mix any letter in it so that you will get the website correct. I'm going to leave the link on the comment section and the video description so that you can just copy or click it once so that you can just enter into the website. So let me visit the website and show you how it looks like. Okay, so here is the interface of the website. So what you are going to do is you are going to register account if you are a new user. So you fill in your details here. But as for me, I already have an account here, so I will just log in. Okay, so right now I'm going to log into my account. Okay, so here's the interface. It's very mobile friendly and it looks very professional. So for you to get your followers, you have to place an order. It's very affordable and their services are quality. You get real followers, real views and real likes. So you will click on this button, place order. Then you are going to select your options here. So let's say you want TikTok followers. You just choose TikTok. Then you come to services. You choose followers. Now it's saying quantity per 1,000 followers. That means if you type 1 here, it's going to generate you 1,000 followers. If you type 2, it's going to generate you 2,000 followers. Yeah, that's how it works. Now, user link. This section, you are going to provide your user link. Let's say you want to grow your TikTok account. You will copy your profile link and paste it here. You will enter your email here, then your mobile number. Then you will click on this order. Very simple like that. Let me just fill in some details so that you can know exactly how I'm talking about. Then I will click place order here. Okay, finally, your order is in. So your order is going to send your order to the admin so that your orders will be still successful. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to this video. Right now I'm going to leave the link on my comment section. I also pin it at my description section so that you can just enter to the platform with just one click. Kindly subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss such opportunities again. Thank you.